Hi, I'm Kelton,
And I'm Katie.
and today we're here to replant our Weigelas. So we planted these back in the spring, and it was a little colder than our normal year, and actually the coldness kind of went into the summer, so they didn't do so hot and their roots weren't able to develop. So we're gonna give it another shot and plant it in the fall now, so they have a better chance to survive and last the winter. If this happens to you, don't worry, they will come back next year. We just wanted to replant them for them to look nice this year for us to enjoy.
This time around was way easier. We knew what we were doing and it went really quickly. We're excited to see how our garden grows in the future and how each season it changes a little bit more, and we're excited to see it fill out and to enjoy it for years to come.